Hey everybody, this is another vlog at the whole 𝗟𝗶𝗲. I'm here with DeAndre from the OnlyFans videos.
What's good, y'all?
So if we get eaten by a mountain lion, this will be our last video when you find our bodies. But anyway, it's so peaceful out here, bro. This is so cool, bro. Look at this stuff.
Bro, what the fuck is that?
No.
If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride.
Guys, I know I don't usually do mountain vlogs, but this is unbelievable. DeAndre, why don't you just tell the audience what you see here?
Bro, this fucking view is so breathtaking.
You're breathtaking. Man, bro, look at the clouds. That's how it's just all like just, man. Let me see if I can walk down here. I dropped my phone down there, but I didn't get it. Hey everybody, this is an update on the vlog. DeAndre.
Jesus Christ. Please drive.
I don't know about that. Here's an update, guys. Yeah, we are live.
Please
So
don't fucking kill me.
yeah, we doing all right. Oh shit. All right, y'all have a. We'll catch y'all in a second. So this is your boy, Holy Mike, like out here in the mountains. Okay. Yeah. Hope y'all having a good one. I'm here with. Well, y'all already seen that, DeAndre, but I haven't showed my face this whole entire vlog. So this is me. I look kind of tired because we slept in the vehicle. I have a brand new car, and all you poor people don't have one in this video. But anyway, I would like to say that, yeah. So we're on the way to our main destination, but right now we're here enjoying the amazing environment, okay? So anyway, most black people don't be out in nature, but we are different types of black folks, okay? So we are out here, right? It is so peaceful and nice out here, guys. So make sure you guys click that notification, guys, like and subscribe, and eat my booty. All right, I'll check y'all later. Peace. Pagosa Springs, I'm here with DeAndre.
It's good.
Made the live. My car is fine. My expensive new car, $38,000, okay? What do you think about my new car, DeAndre?
It's a little sensitive for me, but, you know, it's a nice ass car, not gonna lie.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a call with you sometime too. All right, peace. We're gonna find a bathroom, and DeAndre needs some towel. I need a Visa card. So anyway, we're gonna look around for this stuff. Good mans? Huh.
Good.
So I said, goddamn. Okay. All right. Well, yeah. We'll see y'all in a second. Go back with the vlog. So we finally met up with Melissa. Say hi, Melissa.
I'm not talking to Jerry.
Wow. If I delete them, will you talk to me?
No, because now you're doing this.
This is the vlog. Me and DeAndre been filming the vlog the whole way up here.
Okay.
Yeah, we have.
These people are crazy, okay?
So when we're gonna go see some kind of milky sky thingy in the air.
The Milky Way
We're
in
gonna
the
go-
sky.
Yeah.
I think we'll go out to, I don't know, I'll take you guys somewhere, but we're gonna see the Milky Way tonight, unless it's really cloudy.
It is really quiet. We'll still see something because.
UFO.
Oh, yeah. We'll get that on camera, guys. Too. Stay tuned. Clickbait.
You can't do that.
Click UFOs. All right, guys. We made it here. We made it safely. Your boy is tired for driving, but we are here. Hey, tell me what you ordered.
Just a cheeseburger with the side of fries. That's how we do it.
That's how African Americans do. But I will say that we're here at this awesome restaurant, guys. Got my Vicks. Y'all know that's important. See, look how he has a pretty big cell phone, guys. So yeah, it's a man. He likes to manhandle everything. So he's used to that. But I got some really nice root beers and water. And yeah, all right. It'll be a fun little breakfast. I'll show y'all what we got when the food shows up. It's gonna be a nice little thing. DeAndre, put it back up. Put it back up.
Why?
I'm gonna sit here with the cowboy hat. You actually look decent with that, huh?
I know I do.
Do they have cowboy hats here? Cause I need to buy one. We are out here in the mountains. Okay. What do you think about it out here, DeAndre?
Fucking beautiful, man.
Why do you think it's beautiful?
Cause you just gotta look at it. Just look at it.
I can beat you this one.
Anybody who says nature is not beautiful, go to hell.
Oh, Pastor Bob can't save you there. Look at my car, bro. Melissa, describe what is out here.
What do you mean describe what's out here?
Well, you live out here.
This is the, I'm pretty sure that's the San Juan River. Or it could be the Colorado. No, it's the San Juan.
So she doesn't know what she's talking about. Okay, awesome.